Let's start with the question. Is it possible to build before the starting line in the editor? I have been wondering if I can build blocks outside the squared area in Geometry-2. 1 update. In 1.9 this was possible by a bug with the tilted platform object. Here's an image so you understand what I mean. Yes. It's a screenshot from the old version of the editor. But the meaning is the same. Is there any way or bug to do this in the 2.1 version? So how can we solve this? There are two possible answers. Answer 1. Even though the answer above by user 181699 is correct, you mostly just use this for triggers, so that certain objects are already invisible at the beginning, for example, as this method only allows blocks to be about 1.5 blocks before the line. A better way of having objects as far in front of the line or anywhere you want is by moving them at the beginning. Step 4. Select the Move trigger and press Edit Group again. Set the target group ID to the same number as the group your objects are in, set the duration to 0.00, and set the Move X to whatever you want. From -1 to X. -1 moves the objects 1/10 of a block back. Step 5. The objects should now move back when you start the level. You can play around with it to get the ideal amount. Step 1. First you select the objects you want to have before the line. And then click on Edit Group, which is an orange square button at the right. Step 2. An interface will pop up, where you click Next Free, which shows the next group that hasn't been used, and press Add, which assigns the selected objects to that group. Step 3. Then you place a Move trigger before the line. Answer 2. In 2.1, it is possible to move blocks behind the line. You can do it normally like you would move any other block to the left. However, there is still a boundary. And in order to get past that boundary, you'll have to use a Move trigger. Center the objects to that their center will be on the line. Second, select the objects you want to move behind the line and click on Edit Group. Next, you will have to assign them a group ID of whatever number you want. Then, you will have to put a Move trigger at the very beginning, and then select the Move trigger. After that, you will have to click on Edit Object. Finally, change Move Time to 0. Change Target Group ID to whatever group ID you assign to the objects. Change Move X to negative how many units you want the objects to move to the left of the line times 10. I hope these answers helped, and if they did, please drop a comment and subscribe.